Hi, I'm Lainey, and this is the kids' takeover of FF Hitchcock's social media channels. Come with me on a tour of FF Hitchcock's headquarters. Here's our offices with our call center. Here's our conference room. This is where important meetings happen. Very important meetings. Nothing good. Sure, everybody's on that work. Yeah. It's cool. What do we want? Here's John Bowman.
How are we doing this morning?
More words and more offices. Look, it's next smoke room is that. Whoa, where has the floor go? And look, there's a bunch of thingamajigs. What is this thing? This is heavy. Anybody down there? And look, this guy's looking at thingamajig. What's this thing do? Hey. Making that's very cool. Well, I think you were just up there. This is a lot of hoses. This one's about oil trucks. Well, that's the tour. I hope you liked it. Okay, I'm tired now.